Summer days are made for wandering through and discovering small towns. But as soon as you see the words two pole barns and estate sale, you already know the kind of sale you're going to encounter. Well, this Stockbridge sale delivers. Fishing poles, hunting gear, camping supplies, and tools stacked deep enough, you'll never have to set foot in the orange monster again. 2 John Deere tractors, a power washer still in the box, something with a motor that hasn't run since the first Bush administration. Turns out, Tool Pole Barns is exactly what it sounds like, exactly as promised. With just enough decor and other finds so you're not lying, technically, when you tell your partner there's something here for them too. Kelly's Blue Moon, Stockbridge, Michigan, Friday and Saturday.